Hi, today we are gonna see about modal verb of would. Would is a modal verb in English with various meanings depending on its context. First one is conditional or hypothetical situations. If I had more time, I would read a book. If it rained, we would stay indoors. If I won the lottery, I would travel around the world. She would buy a new car if she had enough money. Next. Polite requests or offers. Would you mind closing the door, please? I would like to invite you to dinner. Would you please pass the salt? I would be happy to help you. Next. Future in the past, reported speech. He said he would come to the party. She knew she would succeed. He told me he would call me later. She knew she would regret not taking the job offer. Next. Habitual past actions. When I was a child, I would play in the park every day. We would go camping every summer. Every morning, he would go for a jog. When I was younger, I would visit my grandparents every summer. Expressions of preference. I would rather stay home tonight. She would prefer tea over coffee. I would prefer a window seat on the plane. They would rather eat at home than go to a restaurant. Okay. See you in next video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.